My esteemed friends, today, we gather not just as mere spectators, but as architects of our own destinies. For too long, many of us have been trapped in the mindset of waiting for that elusive opportunity to present itself, waiting for the stars to align, waiting for fate to bestow upon us the keys to success. But what if I were to tell you that the true key lies not in waiting, but in creating? Let us begin by exploring the very essence of opportunity. Too often, we perceive it as a rare and fleeting moment, a stroke of luck that, if missed, is gone forever. However, I stand before you today to challenge this notion. Opportunity is not a chance occurrence or a gift of fate. It is something we actively create through our own vision, determination, and unwavering effort. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a vast ocean. Its water stretching out before you in an endless expanse of possibility. You may think that reaching the far shore is a matter of luck, a gift granted to the fortunate few. But let me tell you, the journey across that ocean is not about waiting for a boat to magically appear. It is about building that vessel yourself, plank by plank, with the strength of your own hands and the resilience of your spirit. Opportunity is not a stroke of luck. It is the culmination of our actions, our choices, and our relentless pursuit of growth. Every great endeavor, every monumental achievement, every transformative leap forward starts not with waiting, but with action. The willingness to take that first step, even when the path ahead seems shrouded in uncertainty. To illustrate this truth, allow me to share a story that exemplifies the power of creating one's own opportunities. I once knew a young woman whose dream was to start her own business. She had no capital, no connections, no resources, nothing but a burning desire to forge her own path. Did she wait for an opportunity to knock on her door? No, she started small with what she had. She leveraged her skills, offering services from her very own kitchen table. She talked to people, she learned, she adapted, and she persevered. Slowly but surely, that humble beginning grew into a thriving enterprise. Today, her business not only feeds her family, but also employs dozens of others, providing opportunities for growth and prosperity to those around her. She did not wait for opportunity. She created it brick by brick through her unwavering vision and relentless determination. The story is not an isolated example. It is a testament to the power that resides within each and every one of us. The ability to create our own opportunities lies not in external circumstances, but in our mindset, our actions, and our willingness to take control of our own destinies. So what does it truly mean to create opportunity? It starts with vision, the capacity to see beyond the confines of the present and envision a future yet unrealized. Vision is the seed from which all great achievements blossom. It is the spark that ignites the flame of possibility within us. But vision alone is not enough. We must also cultivate a mindset of action, a willingness to step out of our comfort zones and embrace the challenges that lie ahead. Creating opportunity requires us to take risks, to learn from our failures, and to adapt with resilience and perseverance. It means seeking out knowledge and mentorship, continuously expanding our horizons and equipping ourselves with the tools necessary to forge our own paths. It means surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals who can support, challenge, and inspire us to reach new heights. Furthermore, an opportunity demands that we shed the shackles of self-doubt and embrace our own potential. Too often, we allow fear and insecurity to hold us back, convincing ourselves that our dreams are too lofty, our ambitions too audacious. But greatness is not the exclusive domain of the chosen few. It is a possibility that resides within each and every one of us, waiting to be unleashed. Today, I implore you to reflect on your own lives. What are those dreams that burn brightly within you? What are those aspirations that have been lingering, waiting for the right moment to take flight? Ask yourself, am I truly waiting for the perfect opportunity, or am I capable of creating it myself? The power to shape our destinies lies not in the hands of fate, but in our own hands. It is a power that we must claim, cultivate, and wield with boldness and conviction to move forward. I challenge you to shift your mindset from one of passive waiting to one of active creation. Instead of asking, when will my opportunity come? Ask yourself, what can I do today to create my own opportunity? This shift in perspective is not merely about achieving success. It is about empowering yourselves to be proactive, to take charge, and to lead your lives with intention and purpose. Remember, every great achievement begins with a single step. The decision to try, to act, to do something. It is about taking those small, consistent steps that ultimately lead to great distances. The opportunity does not come knocking. It is crafted by those who are bold enough to build their own doors and open them. So what steps can you start taking right now? to create the opportunities you've been waiting for, how can you transition from being a passive participant in your life to an active creator of your destiny? It may be as simple as reaching out to a mentor, enrolling in a course, or taking on a new project that challenges you to grow. Perhaps it is time to explore that business idea that has been simmering in the back of your mind, or to finally pursue that artistic passion that has been calling to you. Whatever it may be, remember that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step is yours to take. Together, let us embrace the idea that our futures are not merely something to be discovered, but something to be actively built with enthusiasm, with effort, and with an unwavering belief in ourselves. Let us not wait for opportunity, my friends. Let us create it. For too long, we have been held captive by the notion that success is a matter of chance, a stroke of luck bestowed upon the fortunate few. But today I stand before you as living proof that this is a fallacy. Success is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice. The choice to take control of our own destinies, to embrace our potential, and to forge our own paths with unwavering determination. As we continue on this journey of self-empowerment, let us delve deeper into the mindset that fuels the creation of opportunity. It is a mindset rooted in resilience, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of growth. Resilience is the foundation upon which all great achievements are built. It is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, to learn from failures, and to emerge stronger and more determined than before. The path to creating opportunity is seldom a straight line. It is a winding road filled with obstacles, challenges, and moments of doubt. But those who cultivate resilience understand that each obstacle is an opportunity in disguise, a chance to grow, to adapt, and to forge ahead with renewed strength and wisdom. Adaptability is another crucial component of the opportunity-creating mindset. The world around us is ever-changing, and those who cling to rigid patterns and outdated methods will inevitably be left behind. To create opportunity, we must embrace change as an ally, not an adversary. We must be willing to pivot, to evolve, and to constantly seek new ways of approaching our goals. Consider the example of a successful entrepreneur who, upon encountering a major market shift, chose not to lament the changing tides, but instead adapted their business model to align with the new reality. By embracing change and remaining agile, they not only weathered the storm, but emerged stronger, capitalizing on new opportunities that their competitors failed to recognize. Equally important is the relentless pursuit of growth. Creating opportunity is not a one-time event. It is a continuous journey of self-improvement, skill acquisition, and knowledge expansion. Those who rest on their laurels, content with their current achievements, will inevitably stagnate, while those who hunger for growth and constantly push themselves beyond their comfort zones will continually uncover new realms of possibility. Imagine a young professional who, unsatisfied with the limitations of their current role, sought out mentors, attended workshops, and invested in their own personal and professional development. By actively seeking growth opportunities, they not only expanded their skill set, but also gained invaluable insights and connections that paved the way for their next career leap. A leap that may have remained elusive had they chosen to remain complacent. As we continue to explore the art of creating opportunity, let us also address the importance of cultivating a supportive ecosystem. No individual achieves greatness in isolation. We all require a network of like-minded individuals who can inspire, challenge, seek out mentors. Those who have walked the path before us and can offer guidance and wisdom born of experience. Surround yourself with peers who share your drive and ambition, who can push you to reach new heights and hold you accountable to your goals. Build a community of individuals who celebrate your successes and support you through your challenges. For the journey of creating opportunity is one best traveled together. Moreover, recognize the value of giving back and supporting others on their own journeys. For as we lift others, we elevate ourselves, fostering a ripple effect of empowerment that can transform communities and catalyze positive change on a grander scale. We navigate the complexities of creating opportunity. It is also essential to acknowledge the role of self-belief and mindset. Too often, we allow self-doubt and limiting beliefs to hold us back, convincing ourselves that our dreams are too lofty, our ambitions too audacious. But greatness is not the exclusive domain of the chosen few. It is a possibility that resides within each and every one of us, waiting to be unleashed. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, recognizing that opportunities are not finite resources to be hoarded, but rather limitless possibilities to be explored and created. Shed the shackles of scarcity thinking, which can lead to fear, envy, and a myopic view of the world. Instead, embrace the mindset that there is enough for all of us to thrive and that by elevating others, we elevate ourselves. Furthermore, let us not forget the power of perseverance. Creating opportunity is not a linear path. It is a journey filled with twists, turns, and obstacles that can test our resolve. But those who persevere, who refuse to be deterred by temporary setbacks, are the ones who ultimately emerge victorious. Imagine the inventor who endured countless failed experiments, each one bringing them closer to their breakthrough discovery. Or the artist who weathered rejection after rejection, never allowing their passion to be extinguished until finally their work found its audience. Remember that every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise, or a chance to learn, to grow, and to strengthen our resolve. Embrace challenges as stepping stones, not roadblocks, and never underestimate the power of perseverance to shape our destinies. As we continue to explore the art of creating opportunity, let us also address the importance of cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that our abilities and talents are not fixed but can be developed through dedication and hard work. It is the understanding that failure is not a permanent state, but rather a temporary setback from which we can learn and grow. Individuals with a growth mindset approach challenges with enthusiasm, viewing them as opportunities to expand their knowledge and skills. They embrace feedback as a gift, using it to identify areas for improvement and develop strategies for growth. They are not limited by self-imposed limitations, but instead, they continually push the boundaries of what they believe is possible. Contrast this with a fixed mindset, where individuals believe that their abilities are set in stone, and failures are seen as indictments of their inherent worth. Those with a fixed mindset often shy away from challenges, fearing that they will expose their perceived limitations. They view feedback as criticism, and they struggle to adapt and grow in the face of adversity. To truly master the art of creating opportunity, we must cultivate a growth mindset, a mindset that empowers us to embrace challenges, learn from setbacks, and continually push the boundaries of our potential. One powerful way to nurture a growth mindset is through the practice of reframing failure. Instead of viewing failure as a final destination, we must learn to see it as a temporary detour on the path to success. Every failure is an opportunity to gather valuable insights, refine our strategies, and emerge stronger and wiser than before. Consider the example of a successful entrepreneur who encountered a major setback early in their career. Rather than allowing that failure to define them, they chose to view it as a learning experience. They analyzed what went wrong, identified areas for improvement, and used those lessons to inform their next venture, which ultimately led to their breakthrough success. Equally important is the practice of celebrating progress. No matter how small, too often we become fixated on lofty goals and grand achievements, overlooking the incremental steps that pave the way to greatness. By acknowledging and celebrating each milestone, each small victory, we reinforce the belief that growth is not only possible, but actively occurring, fueling our motivation and sustaining our drive. As we continue to explore the art of creating opportunity, let us also address the importance of maintaining a balanced perspective. While ambition and determination are essential, it is equally crucial to cultivate a sense of inner peace and gratitude for the journey itself. Too often, we become so consumed by the pursuit of our goals that we forget to appreciate the present moment, the lessons learned, and the growth experienced along the way. We become fixated on the destination, overlooking the beauty of the path that leads us there. Cultivating inner peace and gratitude allows us to find joy and fulfillment in the process of creating opportunity, rather than tying our happiness solely to the achievement of specific outcomes. It enables us to maintain a balanced perspective, recognizing that true success is not merely about reaching a destination, but about the personal growth and transformation that occurs along the way. Imagine living each day with a sense of appreciation for the opportunities you have already created, for the challenges you have overcome, and for the lessons that have shaped you into the person you are today. This mindset of gratitude can serve as a powerful motivator, propelling you forward with renewed energy and a deeper sense of purpose. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and self-care can play a vital role in maintaining a balanced perspective. In the relentless pursuit of our goals, it is easy to neglect our physical and emotional well-being, which can ultimately hinder our ability to create and capitalize on opportunities. By prioritizing self-care through activities like exercise, meditation, and quality time with loved ones, we replenish our mental and emotional reserves, allowing us to approach our endeavors with greater clarity, focus, and resilience. Remember, creating opportunity is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires us to pace ourselves, to embrace the journey, and to find joy in the process of growth and self-discovery that unfolds along the way. As we approach the conclusion of our exploration into the art of creating opportunity, Let us reflect on the power of this mindset to transform not only our individual lives, but also the communities and the world around us. By embracing the role of active creators rather than passive observers, we unlock a ripple effect of empowerment that can catalyze positive change on a grander scale. Each opportunity we create has the potential to inspire and uplift others, fostering an environment where innovation, growth, and collective progress thrive. Imagine a world where individuals from all walks of life are empowered to take control of their destinies, where barriers are broken and new possibilities are continually being explored. A world where the language of "I can't" is replaced by the affirmation of "I will create." In such a world, the boundaries of what is possible are constantly being pushed as individuals and communities come together to tackle complex challenges and forge new paths toward a better future. By cultivating a mindset of opportunity creation, we not only shape our own lives, but also contribute to the collective progress of humanity. We become agents of change, paving the way for future generations to build upon our achievements and continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Moreover, by embracing the art of creating opportunity, we set an example for those around us, particularly the younger generation. We inspire them to dream boldly, to take risks, and to actively shape their own destinies, rather than passively waiting for opportunities to present themselves. In doing so, we foster a culture of empowerment, where individuals are encouraged to tap into their inherent potential and contribute their unique talents and perspectives to the world around them. As we part ways today, I leave you with this challenge. Embrace the role of an opportunity creator. Shed the mindset of passive waiting and actively take control of your destiny. Cultivate a vision, surround yourself with a supportive ecosystem, and embark on a journey of continuous growth and self-discovery. Remember, the power to shape your future lies within you. It is not a matter of chance or luck, but a matter of choice. The choice to take action, to persevere through challenges, and to continually push the boundaries of what you believe is possible. What can I do today to create my own opportunity? What small step can I take that will set me on a path of growth and self-empowerment? It may be as simple as reaching out to a mentor, exploring a new skill, or taking on a project that challenges you to step outside your comfort zone. Whatever it may be, embrace it with enthusiasm and conviction. For each small step is a building block towards a future filled with limitless possibilities. Together, let us embark on a journey of self-empowerment, where we shed the shackles of passive waiting and embrace the role of active creators. Let us build a world where opportunities are not merely discovered, but actively crafted by those with the courage, resilience, and determination to shape their own destinies. The time to act is now, my friends. The power to create your own opportunities lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. Seize it, embrace it, and let it propel you towards a future of limitless possibility and profound personal growth.